Hello YouTube, I am the Websmith. I create online tools using JavaScript. And the tool I'd like to share with you today is designed to assist teachers in motivating students by making the lesson more fun, challenging, even competitive. It's based on the popular memory game called Concentration, but uses associated pairs instead of identical pairs. I have some samples here that could be the topics of a typical lesson. So let's take a look at a lesson on states. If we click here, we're led to a page with 16 squares, and behind these squares are 8 associated pairs. Our task is to match all 8 pairs in the shortest amount of time possible. And this time feature is what the teacher can use to make the lesson competitive. So let's see how we do. Okay, we click here, and that's Alaska. The capital of Alaska is not Lincoln, so it's somewhere else. California, Nebraska, Maryland, Sacramento. California somewhere over here. Okay, so California, the capital is Sacramento. Florida, we haven't seen Tallahassee. Georgia, Annapolis is for Maryland. Des Moines, that's Idaho. I believe we saw Idaho somewhere. Iowa, Des Moines. Nope. Tallahassee, Florida. Uh-oh. I thought I saw Florida. Okay, now we're getting somewhere. Juneau, Alaska. Trenton, New Jersey. New Jersey has to be here. Annapolis. Where was Maryland? Did we see Maryland somewhere? Lincoln, Nebraska. I should have known that. Maryland, Des Moines, Iowa. Atlanta, Georgia. And finally, Annapolis, Maryland. Okay, so we completed that in a minute 50 seconds. And you could try these other topics, but if you wanted to make your own game and use associated pairs of your choosing, you could click on Create here. And you'll be led to a page with 16 text fields, and you would enter your text fields here, and those would be the associated pairs that the people will be working with. So let's say we wanted to do the planets of our solar system. So we'd enter the planets here. The first one would be Mercury. I'll just speed through this segment because it'll take too long for me to type in all these terms. The important thing is that you see where to enter your associated pairs and how they are entered. So after entering your 8 associated pairs, you click Start, and you'll be led back to the same type of page that you had in the topics section. But now you have your own associated pairs behind these squares to be matched. So if we click back here, we have the 4th planet. That would be Mars. Lucky me. 5th planet. That's Jupiter, but that's not there. And Mercury. You get the idea. This would be the same strategy for matching all 8 associated pairs. Now, fortunately for us, there's 8 planets, so you could get your 8 associated pairs. However, if you wanted to do something that involved more than 8 associated pairs, like the presidents of the United States, you would only be able to enter 8 pairs at a time, which is inconvenient. So eventually I look forward to updating this game to enable the user to enter up to maybe 60 pairs and even upload images with the pairs. But that's for another time. So you have to stay tuned for that. You could find tools like this and others on my website listed below. So enjoy and thank you for watching.